I actually feel that there is a Broadway woman living inside of me, and she's never really been able to come out because I can't really carry a tune, but deep down in there, she wants to come out. I do love Disney songs.
As for her favorite Disney princess,
I would be Jasmine. A whole new world.
the model's also got her eye on being a Bond girl, but there's a catch.
The only way I would be able to be a Bond girl is if Idris Elba was James Bond. Sign me up. I would do it for free. It's so fun.
Ashley's already taking 2017 by the horns. Not only is she a mentor on this season of America's Next Top Model, the designer is debuting her 12th line of lingerie with Edition L.
I have a lot of goals. I want to get on a few more covers. I just have some career goals that I'm really excited about that I'm hoping happen.
Last year, Ashley landed the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue, something she wants to do again.
Kate Upton was on the cover twice.
And speaking of covers, Ashley's got another goal.
Maybe to read more books, you know? Why not?